That, ladies and gentlemen, is another famous reverse of shame. He didn't back up all the way. You might as well back up all the way. And he just goes forward. What's the point? Oh. Did he just cross on red? He did.
Head northwest on West Grand Avenue toward North Kilbourne Avenue.
Cross on red. Boy, if you don't quit your shit. Oh man, come on. Come on, I was just trying to get... Not only we got motorcycles, we got a car. Full-on car. Ha, that's the reverse of shame. Fucking wild. Boy, the bicyclist should stop. Fuck you talking about? I don't think Toyota makes it that trouble. I'm gonna point that out now. Alright, this guy's a complete dumbass. I would have stayed. That is a left, right turn only lane. They put up a new sign.